White Talks. It's me, SYAMILY SAREESH. We know that computer is a very safe device to work with. However, the regular usage of computer will cause various type of health issues. In this video, we are going to discuss about various health issues, precautions and safety risks related to the regular usage of computer. So, let's see the chapter. Possible IT hazards to user. When we use the computer for a long period of time without taking proper rest, it will automatically affect our eyes, our muscles and our joints. And when we sit in same position for a long period of time, it will cause us the back pain, shoulder pain and neck pain. This type of injuries is known as repetitive strain injury or RSI. Posture related injuries from computer use. Back and neck pain, headache and shoulder and arm pain are common computer related injuries. Such muscle and joint problem can be caused or made worse by poor workstation design, bad posture and sitting for long period of time. Computer related overuse injuries of the hand or arm. Muscles and tendons can become painful with repetitive movements and awkward posture. This is known as overuse injury and typically occurs in the elbow, wrist or hand of computer users. Eye strain from computer use. Focusing your eye at the same distant point for a long period of time causes fatigue. The human eye structurally prefer to look at objects more than 6 meters away. So any work performed close up put extra demand on your eye muscles. Precautions to be observed while using the computer. Basic safety practices. There are simple things you can do to help prevent injuries. Get up and walk around every half hour. Work where the light is good. Make sure that your posture is correct when you sit at a computer. Correct posture. The picture shows the correct position while using computer. Do the following to keep a good posture. Sit up straight with your back against the back of the chair. Relax your shoulder. Keep your feet flat on the floor or on a footrest. Place your computer screen at eye level where you can read easily. Study the picture that show you how to sit at a computer. Practice sitting this way. Place your keyboard in front of you and at the correct distance so you can type comfortably. Place your mouse close to the keyboard where you can reach it easily. Safety risk. Power cable. Computer have many cables connected to them. One of these is the power cable that connects the computer to an electrical out. When cables lie around on the floor or dangle on the floor, they can cause accident. Liquids, foods, dust and magnets. Keep the area around a computer clean and tidy. Never eat or drink while you are working on computer or have food or drink near the computer. Dust and dirt can damage the part inside the computer. A computer has a fan inside the case to cool down the CPU and motherboard. There are openings at the front or side of the computer case to let cool air in. If these openings are covered in dust, air cannot flow properly through the case and the heat that builds up can damage the computer. The picture shows an example. So, to cover the computer with a cloth or plastic when it is not being used. Liquids such as water, coffee and cold drinks can damage electronic equipment and give you an electrical shock if it is come into contact with electronic part. Food can leave oily or sticky marks on the computer. Crumbs and small bit of food can get stuck inside the keyboard and damage the key and the electronics. Magnet erase the information from the magnetic storage media. So let's summarize. In this video, we are discussing about the possible IT hazard to user, precautions to be observed while using the computer, and safety risk.